in it. Who are you? You know what? I think we're gonna be friends.
Hey guys, it's Jazz. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, subscribe because you already watch this video. You already clicked on this video. You might as well like, you might as well comment, you might as well turn the post notifications on so you can notify when I drop another video, because I'm dropping video on video on video on video. So as you can see, I'm in a new setup. I'm at home now. Summer's here. Summer's here. So yeah, in today's video I'm going to be making some pants from a blanket, and I know this video is super late. I'm super late, but I really don't care because these pants are fire and you can wear them through any season, and it's still cold right now. Like it's 50 degrees today and it's May, so y'all can still wear these pants. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video, and before we get into this video, like, comment, and subscribe. First, you're gonna need a blanket. As you can see, this is the only blanket I can get. It's fine though, it's fine. The hardest part of this project is finding a blanket. Like, that junk is so freaking hard, but once you got the blanket, you good. And the other thing you're gonna need is some pants that you want to fit your size. These are just some regular loose fitting jeans. I don't want the pants to be tight. I mean, I'm pretty sure you already seen the pants and they're not really tight, so this is how I want it to fit. Okay, so as y'all can see, this blanket got a lot going on, and I want to make sure I can be able to put everything on here. So I'm going to fold it right here. Bam. Okay, gonna fold these pants in half, and bam, cut it right over this man. I'm gonna make sure the pants cover this whole person right here because I want him to be on the pants. Okay, so right about at this moment, okay, look, I cut out one pants leg. So I just realized that I don't really have enough for the other pants side, I think, but we finna make this work.
2 hours later.
I really thought this was enough material. I'm talking about, I'm gonna make a purse out of this. Definitely not. But yeah, I'm gonna use this side for one leg and then this side for the other leg. This is just one layer. Okay, so here are the pant legs. I ain't gonna lie, it was a struggle to try to make these pants legs fit in this freaking blanket because I was not paying attention. I cut it weird. So now the pants are probably 2 different sizes, but oh well. After I cut these legs, all I did was cut down the side of the blanket so it can have the little, what are these things called? Ruffly things at the side. And I'm not gonna lie, under this is looking a little bootlegged because I did not have enough material right here. So all I did was cut out a little small piece to match this little butt end right here. And I'm gonna sew this right here first and then sew all these together. But let me show y'all what I did with these. So this is the inside. So inside is facing up and then this inside is facing down. And this is how it's gonna look. I decided to switch up the pants legs. So this is gonna be the front. One side, the person jumping up. I guess he dunking or laying up, and then the other side it's gonna be the white shoes. So this is gonna be the front like this, bam, with the tassels like this. That jump was 2.5. This is going to be like the outside, and then the inside is going to look like this. Here it is, and as y'all can see, I'm excited because these pants look down far. I'm just gonna sew down this area right here, just this little curve right here. These are the insides, bam. And as you can see, I sewed this little patch part to make this part work, and it definitely did work. And I also added like a little small cutout to elongate the pants so it can be just like this one. Here's the front of the pants. It looks so fire. Him jumping, and then the shoes, and then the back is, it's really the same exact concept, it's just reversed, but it's still fire, extra fire. So now I'm gonna turn this backside piece good side facing up and take this tassel piece and turn the tassels inside. Make sure everything is even. Do the same thing to the other side. Turn this tassel inside. I only want you to be able to see the tassels on the inside, so I'm gonna make sure the tassels are right at the edge. And then I'm going to place the top piece inside facing up, good side facing down, and pin all the way around the pants. Straight down and here. Okay, so the pants are all sewed, and I'm just going to add the elastic waistband. I'm going to do it a little different way because I don't want you to be able to see the waistband. So I'm going to measure my waist first, and I don't like my waist super tight. That junk make my stomach hurt, so I'm just going to have like a loose, kind of a loose fitting, just stretching it around, and I'm going to cut it. First, I'm going to take the elastic band, put the two ends together, and sew it. Now that I have the elastic band sewed together, I'm just going to turn these pants good side facing up. Take the elastic band and put it around the front part of the pants. I'm going to pin this part on the front first, and then pin it on the back. And then stretch it out and pin around. So to help it stretch out, I'm going to step on this part. Next side. I wish I had the little clampy thing that you could use to be easier. Okay, bam. This is how it should look. And now I'm just going to sew around the top of the elastic band only. As you are sewing, pull on both sides. This is how it looks. This is good side facing up, as you can see. Bam, bam. So now I'm going to get this elastic band part and flip it in like so. Flip it in all the way in, so it should look like this, a clean seam. And I'm just going to sew a line down the elastic band so you can't see it. This is what the pants look like with the elastic band sewn in and you can't really see it. I'm gonna show y'all the inside because I'm pretty sure I didn't explain it that great. So with the elastic band folded in, you sew lines down the length of the elastic band so you won't be able to see it, but you sew the line somewhere where you won't be able to see the line. Like here, you cannot see the line. Here, you can't see the line. Here, here. And you just keep going around the whole pants until you get done. And then it looks like this on the inside. Okay, so now the elastic band is done. Time for the final result. Okay, so that's the end. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I explained everything to the T where y'all can see everything that I did. but these pants are too fine. Please let me know where y'all get y'all blankets from, because this blanket was very hard to find. Like, I found it at thriftcon and I was even looking for it, and I have not been able to find a blanket since. And thriftcon was like months ago. So yeah, if y'all know where some blankets at, let me know. I do not want to pay no $100 for no blanket, so it gotta be cheap. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for my next one, and see you in my next one. Bye.
Bye.